Hello friends, one more time welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with J Flores. We're going to analyze again the 5 pairs that we were looking last Sunday to see the results of it. It's been a great week, pretty much of trading. So before we go through that, I'm going to get to it right away. I just want to answer a question that I got on one of the subscribers. Subscriber was asking me why did I quit multiple time frame system, which is a system, it's a real nice system, real good system. Well, I didn't quit. I just, I'm still part of the group. I think I said it in last week also. I'm still part of the group. I also am part of Simplicity. As a trader, you follow, different groups. You look at different styles of trading until you find yours, pretty much. I am trying to not to use much indicators, okay, because it gives me a more clarity as far as when I look at the markets. I'm not saying that indicators are no good. They're very good confirmation, and I use them sometimes for confirmation, but I've been noticing that the more or the less I use it, the better I am doing in my trading. Okay, so pretty much that is the reason. And also, I was promoting different programs and stuff, and helping the program. It was helping me also. But this is a way the style that I trade, and this is a way that I like to also teach in my videos. And if it's a help for you, please let me know. Let me know in the comments, please. And I want to welcome all new subscribers to the program, and let me know how can I help. I mean, I'm not gonna hide no information from you guys. So, you're gonna see how accurate our analysis has been, pretty much since we started this clean chart analysis. Okay, so let's start doing that right away. On Sunday, started USD, Euro USD. Okay, as you know, I looked from bottom up. I looked the big time frames, and then I go to the bottom or smaller time frames. And I had these two options, because every time we were in the trend line, we were sitting in this area over here. The market is going to make a decision even to break that trend line or to go and rebound to the top. Okay, so I draw this arrows. Okay, if it goes up, I'm gonna wait for a retest to buy it. If it breaks the trend line, I'm gonna wait for a retest to sell it. And that's exactly what I did this week. The market did that. It broke, and then it did the retest. Okay, it gave me the price action right here. Nice engulfing. I got another engulfing, so I sold the market right here. And I was saying that it was going to go to this area over here, to this zone. Okay, the market did spike that zone, saying, you know what, I'm probably just gonna reverse from here, and the market did. Okay, so so that was pretty much the trade that I was looking. If I look at the daily, if I'm looking at the daily, my bias now is to the top. It's big chance that the market or the price is going to go and visit this top area, so that's going to be our bias, unless the market starts behaving or it breaks some of the lows over here, then I'll change my bias to a different direction. But that's what it is. So that was pretty accurate for me. I was able to get a very good trade out of that one. And also, we also look at our Euro odd. Okay, that's a daily. And let's look at the 1 hour. Those are my markups. I cannot lie to you, because you go see my previous videos. Okay, so we were around this area over here. It said the market is going to go down to that zone. We also had a trend line coming down at that point. If the market comes to this point, I'm going to buy it from here. That's exactly what I did. Okay, so I bought the market, already took some profits out around this area, because I took about 50 pips profit. Okay, and now I'm still having half of my trade running. Okay, because I'm still thinking it can still go higher. Okay, so we're gonna see how the market behaves. This is gonna be decisive pretty much in the next few days. You know, the market breaks this zone down, then the bias is gonna change for the low. But we're gonna see how the markets behave, and Sunday we're gonna reanalyze the market one more time. AUD/USD. On AUD/USD on Sunday we were exactly, put that red line right there because that's where we were. This is the daily, and I was saying that we were right at the trend line, that fusion line that you can see right there, and we had a nice engulfing candle there in the 4-hour, and it was a nice entry also for me. Okay, and I took a good amount of trades here, because I enter about here, and I went all the way about here. I think like 80 pips, something like that. Okay, so we just had a few hours ago like a nice engulfing trading again, so something we're still going to go higher on that trade. I'm still have half of my trade on this going in the up direction. And CAD JPY, same thing. We were right here. I even draw the circle and say if this rebounds, we're gonna buy it, and that's what we did. We buy the market, and I sold as soon as you touch that area right there. And from that point, I'm waiting to see what the market is gonna do, the reaction up or reaction down. But we're gonna be analyzing this one more time on Sunday. And GBP/USD, we were in on Sunday. We were exactly. Okay, this represents every day to this Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. We were right here, and I was waiting for the market to retrace so I can sell it. And I'm still waiting for it. Okay, I haven't gone into UPUSD. What I want is for this market to go to this area, or even all the way up, and then I'm probably gonna sell it again for a rebound from this, or a 61. There will be like a Fibonacci sell in our way down to the next area. Okay, well, thank you, friends. I hope that helps you at least to get a bias with your own system. I have all the links underneath for still doing tutoring one-to-one and helping as much people as I can. Let me know if you want to schedule an hour. If you're starting on this, I will gladly help you. I don't want you to struggle like, well, I struggle for years, and I can help you, to short that learning curve a long time. Well, thank you very much, friends. Have a rest of the week. Bless and be safe out there and be healthy. And see you guys one more time on Sunday. Subscribe, hit that bell so you get a notification. And thank you very much.